beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make herbal hair growth for massive hair growth for itchy scalp, the boric dermatitis, how to stimulate hair growth, and how to darken your hair and to stimulate growth. So all these herbs are going to do wonders. So we are going to use 50 grams of our clove powder. Actually, I did grind it. And we're also going to use 20 grams of our aloe vera leaves. Actually, I just pounded them a bit. Yes, I'll link the video which I did on how to make, aloe vera powder and how you can make aloe vera oil from dry aloe vera powder. And we're also going to use our rosemary. That is actually 30 grams of our rosemary. All these herbs have been researched and they do stimulate hair growth. So rosemary would improve both thickness and hair growth. Rosemary is a great choice thanks to its ability to improve cellular generation. So according to one study, rosemary performed well as well as minoxidil, a common hair growth treatment. So we're also going to use our 100 grams of our oil. That is actually grapeseed oil. You can use any oil that you have. So these are the herbs that we're going to use. So aloe vera actually has many benefits for your hair as well as your skin. So aloe vera is also consumed as food. But there have been scientific studies. Of course there are few, but its effect on hair, research on its benefits is general, so has been mixed. But this might be because it has so many properties and active ingredients. So benefits for hair is strengthen hair. Aloe vera has many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. It has fatty acids and amino acids and is rich in vitamin A, B12, C, and E. These play a part in a healthy hair follicles, and it also controls greasy hair. Aloe vera has enzymes that break down fats and strips the hair of any extra oil that is actually sebum. Aloe vera will also help with itchy scalp dermatitis, which is a common inflammatory skin condition that affects the scalp. It causes dandruff, red skin, and scaly patches. Research has significantly, confirmed that the aloe vera helps with scaliness and itchiness, and it will also prevent from UV damage. So clove will protect your scalp from dandruff, which is actually a major cause of weak and thin hair. Clove also contains anti-inflammatory agents which further help in hair thickening. It helps to reduce hair fall too. With the presence of vitamin K in clove, there is better blood circulation which stimulates hair to grow. It treats dandruff, flakes, and relieve the itchy associated with it due to its anti-inflammatory properties. It also prevents the graying of hair due to its antioxidant. The compound found in clove helps to promote hair growth when applied, to the roots. It can also repair, strengthen, and add a healthy shine to the hair shaft when applied regularly. So you have to make sure that you make a water bath, because I didn't want to put direct heat, the pot on the stove. So as you saw, we had to do a water bath, and then I let it sit for almost 1 hour, and then we are ready to rinse it, to strain it, as you can see. So our oil is ready at this time. Look at that color, beautiful color. So subscribe to our channel for more. If you want to be seeing more of such videos, then consider subscribing. To my 352 subscribers, I really appreciate you guys, for your love and your support and for watching my videos. So you can share this video, comment in the section below if you're going to use this oil for massive hair growth, for itchy scalp, to promote growth, to darken your hair. I love interacting. Make sure that you comment and give this video a like. So for you friends to see the growth, you have to make sure that you use this oil consistently. You can use it to seal in the moisture. You can use it to pre-shampoo. You can add it to your deep conditioner. You can even use it, to massage your scalp, so that because it stimulates hair follicles, blood circulation to the scalp, hence promoting hair growth. So now I'm just transferring our clove, aloe, oil. Yes, clove, aloe, rosemary, powerful oil into our messenger. So this is where I'm going to store my oil. And of course, you know what? I'll be using this oil. In fact, if you've been on this channel, I love these oils. I love clove oil. I love rosemary oil. I love aloe very much. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.